I'll be honest, I almost skipped trying Turbo A1. Not because it looked bad, but because the AI market is getting crowded. Every week, another tool promises to write faster, think smarter, and completely change the way you work. After hearing those claims over and over, it's easy to become skeptical. But Turbo AI kept showing up in conversations, so I decided to see if it was actually different, or just another AI tool with good marketing. And honestly, it surprised me. The first thing that stood out wasn't a flashy feature or some revolutionary technology. It was how easy everything felt. I didn't have to spend 20 minutes figuring out where things were or watching tutorials before getting started. The interface was clean. The experience was simple. And that's something many AI platforms still get wrong. Then I started testing it with real tasks. I asked it to generate content ideas, summarize information, rewrite text, and help with everyday productivity. The responses came back surprisingly fast, and more importantly, they were actually usable. That's an important difference. A lot of AI tools can generate text, but if you spend more time fixing the output than creating it yourself, the AI isn't really saving you time. Turbo AI felt more like a productivity partner than just another chatbot. What impressed me most wasn't that it could do everything perfectly. It was how much friction it removed from my workflow. Instead of starting from a blank page, I already had a solid first draft that I could edit and improve. For content creators, freelancers, startup founders, marketers, and business owners, that's where the real value comes from. Less time thinking about where to start, more time actually getting work done. Now, let's be realistic. Turbo AI isn't going to replace human creativity, experience, or decision-making. You'll still need to review its answers, improve prompts, and make the final call. That's true for almost every AI tool available today. If you expect a magical employee that works perfectly without supervision, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you see it as an assistant that helps you move faster, it starts making a lot more sense. After spending more time with Turbo AI, I realized it's designed for people who value speed without unnecessary complexity. It won't transform your business overnight, but it can eliminate enough repetitive work to make your day noticeably easier. So, is Turbo AI worth trying? I think it depends on what you're looking for. If you're chasing unrealistic AI promises, this probably isn't the tool for you. But if you want something that helps you create faster, organize ideas more efficiently, and improve your productivity without adding extra complexity, Turbo AI is definitely worth exploring. It may not completely change the way you work, but it just might make your workflow a whole lot smoother. And honestly, that's exactly what caught me by surprise. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to LrnYash for more AI tool reviews and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.